You asked for it. We got a Solana versus AVAX here in the house. What to buy, what to sell. We're going to be covering all these fundamental issues between Solana and Avalanche. Guys, it's going to be a very interesting video. Make sure you stay to the end. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and join the Crusader Army if you haven't already. Let's jump right into it. But first, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe. 63% of you guys watching these videos are not subscribed just yet, so make sure you fix that issue. And if you're not following me over on X, make sure you do it as well. B-Chain Crusader over there. Guys, let's jump right into the potato of this thing, right? Avalanche is sitting up 12.5% today. Let's freaking go, right? Up, breaking above $60,000 at $62.95 right now, with a total market cap of $23,752,000,000 market cap. Guys, huge market cap, but I think this thing can go a lot further. Circulating supply is 52%, with a total supply of 436 mil and a max supply of 720. Very interesting. Now let's check out Solana, right? Solana was up over 200 bucks earlier last night, sitting at 87 mil market cap. Let's freaking go. And a total supply, a circulating supply of 443 million and a total supply of 572. Almost all of it is out already, but no max supply, right? Infinite max supply. Very interesting take. At least AVAX has a total supply, which I am a fan of personally. So let's jump into the different ecosystems. Why one over the other? What are the differences, right? So one of the first key things that I want to hit on is this. Now, both of these are smart contract platforms. Each have their different languages, and they're both proof-of-stake networks, right? Avalanche uses Solidity, smart contracts, and Solana uses Rust as their programming language of choice. Solana is sitting at 5,000 plus transactions per second, and AVAX is sitting about 4,500 per second. The only other big difference here is AVAX is EVM compatible, Solana is not. They both also roughly launched around the same time of 2020. So now let's hit some of these different ecosystem features and dApps that are being built, right? AVAX has got an Aave-like decentralized lending platform called Banky that is competing against Aave from Ethereum, right? They also have Trailer Joe as their DEX, which is the competitor against Uniswap, doing very well at the time of recording this video right now, up over $1. Let's freaking go. I've been talking about DEX tokens for a while. They ain't sexy, but they move with the rhythm when they move. And last but not least, Avalanche also has GMX, which is also a decentralized trading platform. Very cool, right? Now, Solana's got Magic Eden NFTs, right? Solana is known for NFTs and meme coins. A lot of meme coins are happening on Solana, but a lot of meme coins are happening on AVAX as well, right? We have Kakinu, we have Kimbo, right? Even though Solana has a more vast majority of meme coin ecosystem, everyone's been transferring over there with Ethereum getting gas fees too high. AVAX is making a name for itself in the meme coin space as well. So that being said, they've got decentralized trading platform, which is Orca. They got Jupiter. They got Radium. They got a few different ones, right? I personally would give the advantage right now to AVAX when it comes to NFTs and meme coins. They're still very underrated versus Solana is already pretty saturated, already pretty well known for that. So I think people are looking for the new next big thing. And I think AVAX is that, right? I personally am more bullish on AVAX than Solana, but Solana does not mean Solana is not going to perform well, as it has performed very well in the past. And I think it will break new all-time highs along with AVAX, right? AVAX also has crypto gaming in its corner that Solana doesn't really have as much anymore, right? AVAX has a lot of crypto gaming like Shrapnel and a few other big title names coming out for AVAX, and their subnet technology allows them to be a lot more scalable when it comes to crypto gaming. So that is another advantage I would give to Solana. Now let's jump over to price action and look at the price action of these two. Up first, we're going to be looking here at AVAX on the daily. AVAX broke out of its December range, right? This monthly December range that we were sitting at back here, which was sitting at a value area high of $47.88. Retested this zone a few times, as you guys can see here. Retested this zone a few times and broke into this other more macro range, which is very bullish. And this range comes back from 2021. This is a multi-quarter range from the Q4 of 2021 and Q1 of 2022. So we have finally taken in and jumped into this value area low of this range with a point of control, which is the point of most traded volume, all the way up at $86.91, and the value area high target of this range is $96. Does this mean that that's where we're headed right now? Absolutely not, right? We could fall back out of this range, but meanwhile, we stay above this value area high for December of $48. It's looking very, very bullish. We could trade here sideways for a couple of days, couple of weeks. We don't know, right? All depends on Bitcoin and Bitcoin rallying, and then these altcoins are going to have rallies as well to catch up or outperform Bitcoin as they normally do, right? But overall, it moved from where this value area low to this value area high is a 64% move to just hit $96, still sub $100. And I do truly believe that AVAX will break all-time highs once again, and that will put us at a price point above $150 for this bull market. And I think we're going to do a lot better. So now let's jump over to Solana. Solana has been on a very nice move up, right? Since I've been covering this very closely, since we recovered $125, the point of control for this blue zone range here was 138. And I've been telling people, meanwhile, we stay above 138, Solana's going to keep moving. And we've had a very, very aggressive upward trend here forming in the last couple of days. As you can see, this very aggressive upward trend. We have jumped up here to a local high of $198. And meanwhile, we hold this, we're sitting right below a value area low range from back in 2022 as well. That puts us at 210 bucks. If we claim $210 for Solana, then, right, we are put into this blue zone range with a point of control of $241 and the value area high sitting at practically all-time highs at $249. Do I believe Solana can break all-time highs? Yes, I do believe Solana will break new all-time highs, right? Could we see Solana range here just how we can with AVAX? Absolutely, right? We can definitely see some ranging here, building consolidation, building a foundational level here near this 200 or around the 200 price point level, which we want to see so that we can build a foundational level before blasting off to all-time highs and moving higher. So Solana right now is a lot closer to all-time highs as it had a very aggressive move to the upside a lot faster than AVAX has. So when it comes to price action appreciation, Solana's already had a very aggressive move. Can it continue moving a lot higher and breaking all-time highs? Yes. AVAX has had a slower price action move when it comes to discovering or getting closer to previous all-time highs. I think overall both projects are going to do extremely, extremely well. But I do and will have to give it to AVAX in this video as the more underrated crypto that could possibly outperform and do a lot better in this bull market for the rest of this time. Is Solana still going to melt faces? Yes. Is it going to make new all-time highs? Yes. Do I have a bag of Solana? Yes. But I do believe that AVAX has a longer, more scalable, and more just diverse action happening on AVAX and still very underrated, that people are still sleeping on. Solana is very saturated, very well known, and everyone's already super hyped about Solana already, which is good on its own merits, right? So overall, both are very good. I hold both projects, but I do think in the long term of this bull market, AVAX has the advantage to make a ton more gains. So guys, smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, join the Crusader Army, and let's freaking go.